Hey goons, what's good? Happy Sunday or whatever.
And we're about the bag cause the cash accumulate. Soon as we came in the game, all these niggas they imitated. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it. Put the iron on them if a nigga my opponent. My code 500, I don't put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on it.
You know what? I'm chilling. I finally got around to washing my hair, so now I'm about to wash this conditioner and stuff out. And then, you know, I thought that I wanted to give it a blow dry for the first time in I don't know how long, but I changed my mind. So I'm just gonna wash this out my hair and then, you know, twist it up or whatever. Look at these curls, they popping, bitch. Okay, but yeah, today I'm just a homebody because I'm cramping. Okay, I ain't going out, I ain't doing nothing. I don't feel like doing nothing. Ladies, you know how it is when it's that time. You don't want to do nothing. You don't want to be bothered. You feeling aggy. So I'm gonna wash this out my hair and then finish watching Orange is the New Black. I'm on episode like 11. I only got like 2 episodes left. Have y'all been watching it? Are y'all even into Orange is the New Black? Let me know. This season is all right. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like you just gotta stop after a certain point. You can't just keep on making more and more episodes because it will get played out. But I'm still here for it, okay? Then I'm gonna watch me some Power because I haven't watched it yet. And Insecure come on today. So I'm just in the house, just chilling, maxing, relaxing, and letting my cramps take over my life. Okay, so yeah. But let me start rambling along now. Wash this out my hair because it's been in there for a while and it needs to come out. All right, I'll be back.
It's sublime. Your type is harder to find. You can turn water to wine. Yeah, you can turn water to wine. Feel me? Niggas be talking so slick. I'm not the nigga for lip. Yeah, putting my heart in the click. Yeah, can't see my heart, it don't fit. Yeah, don't think I'm built for this shit. Yeah, too busy thinking what if. Yeah, I shoot my shot in the brick. Yeah.
Hey y'all, good morning. So right now I am at Kaiser Permanente because my auntie is in the hospital. So I came here to visit her or whatnot. I hope I can get in this way. Don't tell me I gotta walk all the way around, man. Come on. Well, yeah, I do gotta walk all the way around. That makes me want to go get my car and take it to the parking lot. Found me a parking on the street as soon as I pulled up. Thought I was lucky, but now I just gotta walk all the way around. Anyway, so here at Kaiser visiting Auntie. I don't play in hospitals, okay? I really hate hospitals, I really do. So I'm leaving the hospital from visiting my auntie. She is doing okay. She will be fine. Here's what I noticed about y'all. I did a reaction video the other day. It did not do well in views. So I realized y'all don't really like reaction videos from me. And me, I don't really like doing reaction videos. I just did it because, you know, I thought that y'all might like to see reactions, but they don't do well on my channel. Y'all react better to my vlogs, and that's what I love doing, vlogs. My vlogs do good, my challenges do good, and my random talk topics and things do nice. But reaction videos do not do swell on my channel. So I'm not doing reaction videos no more unless y'all ask me to. Y'all don't ask me to, I ain't doing it. But yeah, so I'm on my way home, but I think I want to stop at this little it's like a natural store because I want to get some rose water for my face. And I've been wanting to go there for a little second now, so I think I'm gonna stop there before I go home and get me some rose water and then go in the house because it's getting a little spicy out here. It's hot. God dang, I want to go in the house and take off these clothes. But yeah, there is traffic on the freeway, so I'll be here for a while. I'll be back when I get off. I love me a body butter and incense kind of store, you know. Probably give me some oil for my oil burner too. Turn up, turn up. Let's see what they got in here. It's my first time coming to this one. So, let's see. Oh, it smells so good in here. Ooh, I love these kind of stores so bad. They got everything. All the good stuff. But let's not get carried away. Came here for one thing and one thing only. Oh, it smells so delightful. Yes. Do you have rose water?
Rose water, yeah, like here. What do you use for rose water?
Where?
This shelf.
This shelf?
Oh, you're in the line, in the phone?
Me? Oh, no, yeah, vlog. Vlogging, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I actually don't see it, so I wish you would get up and help me. Do y'all like using black soap for your face? I tried to use it over and over and it's just too strong for my face. I cannot use it. It burns my skin. Maybe it needs to burn these goddamn acne off. So I got my rose water. You know, I actually was about to buy some more stuff, but I decided to just get out of there. I never tried this brand, but hopefully it's the good stuff, okay? Hopefully it works great. Anyway, I'm about to go home now. Ain't nothing out here for me in these streets.
It's the night of your life, girl, put on your pretty ass dress. It's the night of your life, girl, you gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.